Hi, I'm Suvarna Hebbar, in charge dietitian, Kasturba Hospital Manipal, assistant professor in Department of Clinical Nutrition Dietetics, MCHP, Mahi, Manipal. Today, I would like to talk to you the kind of food we are looking for monsoon season, which we are all going through. What kind of food we think we should look for? We should look into kind of nutrients like protein, vitamin C, zinc, vitamin D. Now, what will these nutrients, in what way they will help us? Protein always helps us to fight infections. Zinc helps us to boost our immunity. Vitamin C helps us to keep our immune system strong, and vitamin D looks for good nervous system as well as bone health. So, what kind of vegetables and fruits are beneficial during this season? When we look into vegetables and fruits, I should say that fruits with good source are vitamin C. All kind of fruits, for example, gooseberry, oranges, melons, these are all boosted with vitamin C, which helps us to keep our immune system strong. Vegetables, all kind of vegetables are good, but we should look for those kind of vegetables which are not required at this particular season, especially the leafy vegetables, the cauliflower, cabbages. These kind of vegetables tend to have more bacteria in them during this kind of season. Now, when we look into prevention of illness, one thing we should all keep in mind is look for more of cooked foods rather than looking for raw foods or foods that are not cooked well, because during these kind of seasons the growth of bacteria or the microbial growth or the raw fruits it as its peak. So eating cooked foods or foods that are cooked properly are to be considered. Maybe it's cooked food or boiled water is always considered the best during this season. Preventing foods that are sold outside or kept open or which is unhygienic should be avoided at these particular seasons. The next is healthy digestive system. How do we look into it? So look for those kind of foods which are probiotic in nature. The simple ones which we have it at our house is the curds, the buttermilk. These foods will help you to keep your gut clean and healthy. Look for light kind of foods like soups or steamed vegetables, which will be light for your body and which will be easy for your digestive system to be handled. Now, keeping all these things in mind, like what kind of food we are supposed to eat in the monsoon season, or how are we supposed to keep ourselves free from diseases, because during this season the diseases are at its peak. Maybe it is fever or it is cold, flu, malaria, dengue. These are the things which can easily attack us. The best thing to do is to keep your immune system at its peak. That is only possible with good kind of foods which will help you do all this. As I've mentioned, foods rich in vitamin C, foods rich in zinc, foods rich in protein, which all will help you to keep you safe from these kind of diseases. Thank you.